New York City Mayor Mamdani has issued a state of emergency for New York City. A travel ban is in effect beginning at 9 p.m. due to dangerous blizzard conditions. All non-essential vehicles are restricted from New York City roads until 12 p.m. on February 23, 2026. Vehicles are only permitted for essential and emergency travel. There is no school tomorrow, no college, not even any remote control education. Very bad blizzard. It will be 14 to 16 inches snow today. The tri-state area is rapidly stacking up snow totals as a major winter storm pummels the region with snow and gusty winds. So everyone, please stay home. Don't go outside without any reason or any emergency. Stay warm, stay safe, and have a good day. Thank you very much for watching this reel. If you want to help some of your friends, you can share this reel to them. Bye-bye.